Begin by checking the package contents. Check that the following accessories are in the package. Pick up the box from the printer. Remove all of the tape and other packaging material. Also, remove the tapes from the roll holder. Preparation for setup is now completed. Assembling the printer stand. Check the package contents. Raise the stand legs. Check that the locks and all casters are engaged. Match the label of the stand's leg with the stand stay. Then insert it in the groove of the stand's leg, to the bottom of the groove. To secure the stand stay to the stand legs, tighten the 4 hex nuts using the wrench. Now attach the basket. Open the basket cloth. The side with the Velcro attached is the reverse side. Hang the basket cloth onto the stand stay top, then fix the Velcro. Insert the cap into the rod of the stand. The stand assembly is now completed. To set the printer onto the stand, place the stand at a favourable site for the printer. Check that the locks and all casters are engaged. Firmly hold the recesses at each side in the base. Be careful not to catch your finger on the stand. Be sure to lift the printer with 2 or more persons. Align the position of the printer back corner and the stand corner. Then place the printer onto the stand. Fix the printer onto the stand. Tighten the screws. There are 2 in each side. There is a total of 4 screws to be tightened. Setting the printer onto the stand is completed. To set the printer on a desk, firmly grasp the recesses on each side of the base. Be careful to not catch your finger on the desk. Be sure to lift the printer with 2 or more persons. Put the printer on a flat and stable surface.